Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I haven't been in my garage for a few weeks now due to snowboarding in Norway, fixing my washing machine, so I feel a bit rusty coming here. Due to the weather, I need to do a quick cleaning of my daily driver. I won't show that because I do have other episodes showing that. I'm unsure if I've uploaded them, but I have episodes like that, so they will be online eventually. Then I will do another test start just to see how things work with the new differential, and then it's back to prepping parts for paint. The time ran away a bit for me, so basically I've only washed my car, but since one of you commented and asked about the fifth gear, I got a bit worried, so to be on the safe side I got in the car, my Supra, and tested all the gears. So first went okay, second went okay, third went okay, fourth went okay, and then fifth and stop. But I guess it needed some movement because eventually it went in. But for the reverse, it was totally stuck. So after sitting there and thinking about how I should take apart the gearbox in place, I realized that I haven't tried to spin the drivetrain, spinning the wheels. So I did that and it worked. So all the gears goes in okay, and it's too late to start it because I don't want to warm it up and then leave it covered in textile. So maybe next time. And since it's already late, I think this will be a very short episode for one, but also an episode where I sort of give you a status update on what I would like to accomplish before it's time for me to leave this garage. I don't think that I will have the painting abilities after this garage until I buy something of my own, and I think I will become a pensioner before that happens. The most important thing now is to finish painting all the small stuff, at least the bigger pieces of the smaller stuff. So the side trim for the doors, those that wrap around the rear of the car, the license plate surrounding. So let me show you. Here we have the license plate surrounding, and if you recall, I had some difficulties painting this, and you can see the problems here. So I will sand this down and do it again for like the third time. I will try a different primer, see if I can sort of neutralize the plastic. And a bonus shot of my Supra, a little glimpse inside. Haven't put back the panels and so on, but I need to add a bit of gearbox oil. And yeah, hello, hey. The wing is finished, the rear side pieces are finished, the front side piece over there, I haven't started on that one. These trim pieces, what I have left to do is adjust the opening for the side markers, which I have. These are painted red. I think I need to go over them one more time with red, so sand them down, add red. And the side pieces for the wing and another set of side moldings, they have been, I think they have been clear coated. I will have to check that. And these are the wraparound pieces. The red is a bit too light, so again, sand down, paint red. And here we have the driver's side also. No clear coat. Need to fix that. But before I take stuff off the car again, I want to finish all the pieces I have laying around. I think the door trim pieces are the most problematic ones, so I think I will cut a few pieces of wood to be able to support it in a straight line instead of this wavy thing. Also sand them down, add another coat of red. So now you know what I need to do before I leave the garage. I will also adjust the driver's side door, which I need to do before I take the Supra down from the jack stands. Yeah. Anything else? The pieces that are on the door that needs fixing are both door handles, both side view mirrors. Those 4 parts needs clear coat. The targa side trim and the A-pillar trims need matte black. And then we have the fuel filler lid and the pop-up covers that needs sanding down and being polished. Yeah. So now I have like 50 days to fix this. I don't like this stress, and I don't think the weather will be good when it's time to leave, and I will not take it out if it's snowing, because I don't have another garage to go to, so I can't really clean it off after driving it in the snow, in case there is snow. And also I don't want any stone chips. I think I would cry blood if that happens, just because I need to leave the garage. So we'll see. Yeah, as I said, very short episode, but it's a restart. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.